Presenting a pre-owned 2009 Lexus GS 450h. This four-door sedan has a six-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine with rear-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Lexus has less than 146,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 22 miles per gallon in the city and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free Auto Check Vehicle History Report. Key features include auxiliary audio input, wireless data link, moonroof, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and navigation system.